to this channel. I hope you all are safe and doing absolutely great. So here I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you a beautiful birthday card. You can also buy birthday card from market, but handmade card gives a personal touch. It's very easy to create and you don't need any fancy things. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, share with your friends. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.